Hello. Welcome. Today I'm working on a little thingamajig call. But actually, the audio on OBS looks weird. Is my audio fine? I should probably check out my own stream just to make sure. It almost looks like there's double audio. Oh wait, now it's done. What? What do you mean face long from stream? I'm right next to my microphone. What do you mean face long? Okay, strange. Maybe music just loud. Turn down music. Don't know, now I turned off the microphone. Let's hope. Okay, I can turn up music again. Here you go. Music turned back up. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the YouTube thing. Yes, and I'm using this as my test stream. That's my face cam today. It's my YouTube test stream. Why will cold hate me? Well, I mean, this is not necessarily just for cold. This is also so I can look at Cold's chat while doing the stream thing. I'm making spy software. Yes, that's what it is. Actually, wait, did I even install WebSocket? I don't think I did I? Nope. Let's see, WebSocket. WebSocket is just WS, right? I think so. Yes, and we also need the types for WebSocket. Like this. Yes. Now we have WebSocket. And I'm sleeps. Didn't you sleep? You should sleep. I'm setting up a new few tables in a corporate dev environment. So I'm tired. I expect to blow things up. Blow up. Yes, blow up. So I'm so stupid, right? I went to the store to buy lunch, which I'm having. I have my lunch right next to me right now, by the way. So. And then I bought some soda for the weekend, so I had something, right? And then as I'm walking home, I suddenly remind myself, I was at the grocery store, I bought lunch, but I forgot to buy snacks for the weekend. I have no snacks now. What am I gonna do with myself? I go to bed late and I forget to put across the window, so I wake up early from sunshine in my face. Oh, well, that sucks. I've just gotten so used to the sun by now. I can almost sleep fine while the sun is out because everything is bright in here when the sun is out, even when I have curtains closed. Okay, let's see. I gotta copy some shit over. Copy avatar and utilities. There we go. Copy. now I can in index I can import shit. There we go. Alright, index is not a module, so I gotta. Yes, it's very good. There we go. Now we got some stuff going. Let's see. What else do I need? I need canvas. Right? Yes. I need most of the basic stuff we have in the other thing. Draw Twitch message, because I'm just gonna copy most of it, so it's just gonna create a similar thing, but just I'm not gonna bother making this a pretty project. Okay, I gotta get emote canvas now. There we go. Okay, what's this man about now? What am I missing? Type definitions. Okay, let's get type definitions. Oh, hydrate. Okay, I'm hydrating now. You can only see me hydrate if you have the test YouTube thing open, because my camera is used for that. Yeah. So the reason YouTube is having my camera right now is because instead of streaming from any software or anything in YouTube, I just, for a quick test stream, I just clicked start stream with camera, because then it's streaming directly from the browser. So I had minimal setup. Okay, let's remove anything we don't actually need. No emotes, no emote positions, no message, no cheer, not even a raw message, because we ain't got none of that shit. No gift sub. Cost notification we can keep. Now what is your problem? Emote position and iMessage. We got none of this emote stuff. Okie. You could also take this and then copy this. Yes, please. Now in here we actually only got the private message, so that's all we need. YouTube chat, what's going on? I see face, what is this face? This face haunts my dreams, my realities, my everything. Very complicated stream this. multiple windows. Yes, very very important chat I see. So you see, I'm actually working on getting YouTube chat, so I cannot read YouTube chat until I finish program. That's what stream is about. Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's just const config equals to require config to JSON. That's why YouTube is unlisted, so people don't find it by accident. Yes. No reason for enabled. It's always enabled, right? So you only have this stupid stuff in config. Very simple config. I see that. Very, very low capacity. Now let's create some of this crap. Oh yeah, active was actually a thing we should have, right? Because active tells us whether or not we have a connection. There we go, now we got some of this stuff. Let's see. Yeah, I know. So basically, oh damn, we completed the water bears thing. I guess it's time for me to actually beat that game then. Nice. Yeah, you missed the challenge. That's what you get for being forgetful. Yes. Oh wait, it's only 50%. Why did it look like it was speed? I got like flashing colors and stuff, and it looks like it was speed. Oh, yeah, that's confusing. I guess we don't got the challenge yet then. Haha. Now we have the stuff for connecting to the pipe. Now we gotta do the YouTube stuff. So, let's see. Can we get some node fetch? Import. Import fetch from node fetch. Is that a thing? No? But we have node fetch, right, in the thing. What do you mean? Oh, that one. Yeah, I haven't gotten it to work yet. That's why I haven't marked it as complete yet, because I haven't actually found a way to play it yet. How do we get node fetch to work? Let's see. Okay, I guess we can try getting types node fetch. Just, yeah, okay. Yeah, no way that can backfire, right? So how do we actually fetch something? Okay, we basically type fetch and then, okay. So how do we give parameters with node fetch? Looks very interesting and weird. Okay, so let's see. Everything turns to shit because coding for SteamVR is bullshit. Ran my app without an action manifest. Steam assigned my app ID a legacy one. Did not find a way to remove that even with the help from a Valve contractor on Slack. Yeah. Also, why the heck am I even putting semicolons after everything in JavaScript when it's not a necessary thing? It's just a useless little stupid thingy I'm doing. But I'm doing it anyway. Okay, so let's try fetching something. Let's just steal all of this and change it to fit our needs. Also, why does it say handle promise? Anyway, that's not important, right? Let's just remove that promise and just say promise returned from fetch, then we say let's see, okay, it's giving a response. Shit, did I already forget how to do this? What's going on here? Cannot find name response to domain. Wait, do I? What? Wait, what? Oh, that's my issue. I know Kotlin doesn't use his line terminator newline instead, but I haven't heard this about JS no version. Well, it's just that in JS it's kinda optional. I think it's been this for a long time. See, if I do this, it shouldn't actually cause any errors. It can use newline as well. But I'm thinking, so like, because of this, you can do two things on one line, and it's gonna count as two different lines, right? So it's just it has a similar functionality to newline, essentially. Okay, so this should be a GET request, and let's just find the URL I need to get. then we yes. What does this mean, fellow? True support, deflate, content encoding. Also say, I don't even care. Compressed knowledge. What the heck? I don't care about all of this stuff. Can we just not? Anyway, okay, so can I get some parameters? Okay, so oh yeah, can I get like is the body the parameters I give with it? No, the body, that's the page content. Guess I gotta Google stuff, maybe. Yes, I'm not used to doing this stuff. I mean, I could just manually do it since it's a GET request. I can just append it to the. I can just append it to the URL, but where would the fun be in that? Oh, does what if, can I? Create a URL like, oh, you gotta put new, I think. Maybe. I'm just going off bullshit I'm reading right now. And then you say URL dot search params dot append. Let's just create a small task. Then let's say we want to do console.log URL, right? Let's just forget about this for now. Forget about connecting this. Let's see. What do we get? We get an error. Module not found. Cannot find module node fetch. Why? Why can you not find module node fetch? I pretty clearly wait, did not install node fetch. Maybe that's why. Okay, now let's run this. What now? Module not found? Oh, notifications, private message to JSON. What? Oh, right. Wait, this is run from index, so that. Come on now. What now? Cannot find module. Okay, let's see. Notifications. That folder. Oh, I get it. It's because it's being run from this, right? So it gotta go one folder up to actually find it. Okay. So the URL. Okay, so that works. Looks like that works. So now we should be able to, so if we do this stuff and then we say console log response.body. Does it do anything that you're on company VPN? Are you not allowed to do this? I mean, it just means your company can find my awesome stream, right? Okay, now we should be told by Google to fuck off because we're not using an API key. Oh. Isn't body the thing we should be getting? Response to JSON. How about getting rid of all this unneeded stuff? Let's see. And wait, why is it a promise? Shouldn't this depromisify it? Okay, I guess no. The response to JSON makes it a promise. Let's see then. Let's just call it JSON, and then we log the JSON. Right, there we go. Let's see what we get. File 3, the request is missing a valid API key. Okay, there we go. So now we can up here we can add a key, and this key is gonna be secrets.api key. Oh, hello, welcome Sabi. Yes, I'm working on getting YouTube live stream chat and collecting it from a bot basically. Okay, now we got the API key. Let's see. We gotta get ourselves an ID, basically the video ID. That's gonna be in our config.video ID. Oh, that's a shame you gotta join a meeting. I'm probably still here after the meeting, depending on the length. Yes, that's a secret URL. Okay, let's see. What else do we need? Oh yeah, we need to get. So we need to tell what part we want to get, what part of the details they have we want to get. And in here we want to get the live streaming details. Now we should start getting something. Something useful. What? What? Yeah, you should probably do that. Request is missing a valid API key. See, on one hand, I wanna print out the API key, but on the other hand, I'm not supposed to show the API key, right? I'm just gonna print it now. It doesn't matter. Yeah, but it's fine because I'm just gonna change it after the stream. Let's see, what am I missing here? Oh wait, that's not the right key, is it? Oh no, it is the right key. Yeah, it's totally the right key. The ID, let's see. The ID is also the same. I don't get this. Yeah, so yeah, if I open this URL in my browser, I'm getting the right info. What? Oh, I know what the problem is now. I'm not actually using the generated URL in here. Ah, stupid me. There we go. Okay, so let's just actually rename this. Let's see. Video ID URL. Yes. And then because we're also gonna make a different URL, let's call this. Let's first get it. We of course still need our key. I mean, it's a good thing I've just created a secrets file, so it's quick to change my key. Like, it's so much easier to get and set the API key on YouTube compared to Twitch because you don't need to make a ton of authentication. You just go to the website and generate an API key and pop it into your application. So much better. Something I'm kind of curious when I when I set something like this in JavaScript, right, does it actually create a copy or does it retain a link? So if I set a variable in here and then I change the variable later on, is it gonna be changed for the requests or is it gonna have a copy of the old value? Because if it's gonna change when I change the value of the variable in here, that's actually gonna be cool because I gotta update the page token. Anyway, okay, let's create a function that says get no chat. And this is gonna take a page token, which is a string. Items 0. Let's see, if we get item 0, it should give us a thing. Let's just make sure everything's gonna work fine, and then we say that details equals to JSON item 0, and then we say if details, and then we do stuff. That way we avoid the whole it doesn't exist crap. If it's by reference, that's a good thing for me in this case, because it's gonna make it easier for me to change stuff. Then we say live message URL dot append, and then we say this is just called live chat ID, which is gonna be details dot live streaming details dot active live chat ID. Okay, yeah, so now this should be able to grab the chat. Let's just say get no chat. Oh yeah, I gotta explicitly allow it to be null. Let's see. I forgot how to do it. Can I do just this? Okay, yeah, that works. Then in here we just say well, we do a no fetch thing, and this is gonna be live message URL. Request options, fine. And then we simply do console.log JSON. See what happens. Hey, we got stuff. So we actually got chat now. And then let's say we go up here and then we say let next page token equals to null for now. can we then just say next page token? Actually, I shouldn't even give the page token from here because we don't get the page token here. No page token needed. And then let's just say next page token gets equals to JSON dot next page token. And then we just set interval, get no chat. Let's just do this once every second. And then here we console.log JSON.items, because then we should be able to actually see what's going on in chat. Yeah, I'm gonna test it right now. Why is this undefined now? Maybe... We've been getting a lot already. That's fast. So can I... Actually, let's just for fun see what's actually in the search params. If they even change. Okay, yeah, it doesn't change, so it's not actually a changeable thing. Let's see then. Can we live message URL dot search params dot? Can I change one of them? Oh, we can. So we can set page token. Next page token. I mean, next page token isn't really needed. In this case, we can just do this, right? No. So now we should only get new messages, right? Okay, so if we say if there's any items, I would kind of like isn't there a way I'm pretty sure there's a way I can somehow filter the content, right? So I only get a specific thing from each item. I know how to do it using I can't remember what it's called in C#, but there's a way in TypeScript / JavaScript too, right? Need to figure it out, I guess. Well, not filter, like format. So we have JSON.items of unspecified length, and then each item has a string in it with a message, and I want to get just the message of each item to output. I mean, we could do a for loop, but that's just tedious. Guess I'll just do a for loop. Wait, that's not how it's done, is it? I don't know. Then we just get the key. Well, the key is fine. I can deal with the key. Let's see what it's called. So we can do. That's fine, you're helpful. What's it complaining about? Possible iteration over unexpected custom inherent message. Problem missing has some property check. That's fine. And then we say that snippet dot, let's see. Display message. Okay, so this, and then we remove this. This should essentially show us a live chat, I think. What? What's this about? Unhandled type cannot read property 0 of undefined. What? Maybe this is better. Let's see. What the? What am I doing now? What? No. My brain is not functioning properly. Now I'm pondering if I should try to make C# universal apps. I think those can run on Linux, right? If you use when you say universal apps, do you mean .NET Core or .NET 5 or .NET Core can run on Linux? Okay, I can do like this. Let's see. So then we just do this and we say item and live chat. Get some sugar then. Don't you have sugar lying around? Oh, look at this, look at this. Wait, oops, buffering. Oh, someone, oh, you made that. So now we got your messages, right? And now essentially if I go test, now we should within a few seconds see test show up here, right? Why aren't we seeing test show up? So let's just see. It gets undefined, then we say just a random stuff. And it's still undefined. What the heck?
Everything is in harmony, life is good, like a burning McNugget in a merry-go-round.
What is this? Why are we not getting any new items? Page token is not valid. Wait, how frequently can I do this? Maybe not once a second? Once every 5 seconds? I can't actually remember how TTS is working. I was looking through my sources and I can't see any TTS source. Hey, it's working now.
Wait, this is just black magic for you now? Holy shit, maybe an auto-run thing in the background, which is also a cryptominer and keylogger.
And it's probably coming through one of my things. Let's try turning off some sources and see what happens.
Still works?
Okay, it still works. Yeah, it's black magic. I turned off chat, Streamlabs alerts, and did sound alerts. Wait, can I see what plugins I have installed somewhere? It might be an OBS plugin. I don't know where I can see which plugins I've installed. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably a plugin. Anyway, okay, now we got this part of chat working. So now we just need to push message. Okay, we gotta import the let's see. Type definitions, gotta there we go. Now let's see, push what do we have in config we can use? We have host app port, so we don't want to bother with any ignore users. No ignore. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with any of that skipping stuff. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it should be an async function. Format message, where does that come from? Alright, yay, okay, you can hear, that's good. Yes, I'm just using, I'm playing the music from the Twitch soundtracks thing called tech support. Perfect for programmers. Programming is what I figured. What do I mean types? Just because I'm using TypeScript doesn't mean I'm actually gonna use types. This is a very quick and dirty program I'm just making to use today when streaming with Cole, so I can snoop his messages. I am not gonna bother with a formatted message. Oh wait, what is the drop Twitch message gonna use? It's gonna take message and maybe I should actually just bother with the format. Okay, it just needs message content. No, because I'm having trouble with these kinds of imports with vanilla.js, and some of the stuff I'm using relies on importing this way. It doesn't like when I'm doing the equals require way of importing, and so this was just easier for me to do. To make all of this easier, I'm just gonna. Okay, let's actually see. Message color. That's not a thing on YouTube, is it? I don't know. Doesn't look like it's a thing. So, and here I'm just gonna say. Push message, and the first thing. It's just gonna have message content, I think it was called. Is it used anywhere in here? Oh, we're gonna have a display name at the very least. Which is just gonna be item dot author details. Understand shit of this, but I'll say it. I'm happy to have you here. It's just a quick programming project. Author details dot display name. What else do we need? Oh yeah, the message content. Anything else? Tags, color. Yeah, I don't see any color anywhere sent with the YouTube message. thread. Actually, maybe. There we go. This is such a neat tool to have in an IDE. I love all of the small features Jeppevinkel gives me. I think we got most of the things we need, right? Let's see. Oh, also need a message to username. Is that actually a thing on YouTube? I'm pretty sure username and display name are basically the same thing, right? Display name was also supposed to be in tags, so let's put it in here. Everything is coming together nicely. And here we just get item dot author details dot profile image URL. Now let's see. Wait, this is not gonna be good. Can I stop it? Okay, good. This is gonna flood the thing completely. I kinda wanna do this response the first time without getting all the old chat, so I am thinking let's create initialized equals false. Then we say, and here we say, if not initialized, then we do a quick, well, we set initialize to true, and then we say return. And instead of having this down here, we put this up the top. There we go. Okay, now let's hope. Let's hope this is gonna work. Maybe I should actually make some kind of output here that tells me, oh, it's initializing now. Now. Error in no end. No such file or directory messages. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got a copy over my assets folder now. Okay, there we go. Now it should hopefully work. Okay, let's run it and let's hope for the best. Oh wait, this thing has kind of gone into idle, hasn't it? Wait, what's the issue now? Oh yeah, I'm not actually initializing my connection. What's the problem now? Invalid URL defined. What? The WebSocket URL. What's invalid about this? It's just isn't this copied exactly from the other thing? Yeah. This is just like my other stuff. Interesting. Let's just try printing this for good measure. Undefined. Undefined. What? Oh, I'm so stupid again. I need to get this part into it. Why am I always so stupid?
Your face is undefined. Please get a new face. Your face has not been initiated. Please implement the face interface.
Hey, it's working. Oh, but it says undefined because it's not getting the channel right. I need to get the channel here. Please get a new face. Your face has not been initiated. Well, my face is defined now. I just defined it. Wait, why does the pipe keep saying started clear cache interval, stop clear cache interval? That only happens when bad stuff happens, right? Yeah, that happens when it closes and opens. Oh, wait a second, I don't have the active part, do I? Wait, let's see. Let's get this channel thing fixed. Message to channel. Do we get anything from YouTube with a channel name? Time to look up at the API to see if we can get anything useful. Live chat messages. Can we get anything as part of it? look like it. Maybe I can get something from the video API. Let's see, can I? Now, the thing is just, where do I actually find this? Okay, here. Videos, list, okay. This might be something, let's see, what part can I get? Live streaming details. What else? What does topic details give me around? Let's see. Okay, it didn't give me anything. Maybe I should just make it. Yeah, we're still listening to Twitch Music Library. So the name should show up on my stream, I think. Yeah, it's pretty neat. I mean, it's pretty decent music for just being free to use and stuff. Is there no way I can get this thing to tell me what channel I'm getting the messages from? Maybe... I mean, it's good background music. Background music doesn't have to be advanced. Simplistic is probably good, so it doesn't take too much of the attention away from whoever is speaking or doing stuff. Let's see. I guess there's an author channel ID. Can I use this to get anything? Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm being a bit quiet right now. It's just because I'm trying to figure out how to do anything with this. I too have sometimes done that when dealing with tables. I've made a bunch of stuff and then at least so I in the programs I use, because I don't actually do it by typing out the SQL. So in the programs I use, it can look exactly like a table is set up and should work, but if I don't click apply, it doesn't actually send any of the code to my database. Is there any way to get the channel name? I think I found an API I might be able to use. Let's see. The YouTube channels API. I'm just gonna run a quick test in Postman before I try implementing it. Let's see, so I can search by ID and then oops, I should be able to just I'm hoping get an ID from do I get any IDs in with the live chat messages? Maybe I... This does not work. During lunch, I tried working on my data pipe to get finger curl into the input. Bloody skeletal system has 31 bones to report. Oh, that's quite a lot. Oh, I think I got something useful. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the right data out of it. If I get the snippet, do I then get the name? Oh, I do. Oh, I get the title. Ah, okay, this is pretty complicated. I have to call several API endpoints. That's kind of annoying. Maybe you have to convert the bone positions yourself to get going. looks like. So if I, in the part where I get live streaming details, I also need to get snippet, and then let's see. Using that snippet, I can then get a channel ID. Let's just save that up here. Let's channel ID starts out being null. We can say this has to be a string, and it can also be null. See, I'm doing stuff now. Nullable string. And this here is a boolean. This too is a boolean. See, I have types. Oh, why? Thank you very much for the bits. Are you testing my bit notifications? It showed up right there. It was kind of like text, but it had the bit number. Yes. Yes, very neat. Okay, this one is an even number. Oh yeah, wait, I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Okay, channel ID. Yeah, I gotta save the channel ID. So now we can. In here we can now set the channel ID equals to details dot snippet dot channel ID. Should be like this, I think. Yes. Oh, wait a second. Do we get the channel title here already? Maybe I don't have to do all of this weird stuff then. Let's do a quick test. Gotta do details.snippet.channel title. Okay, let's see if we get the channel title. Maybe we don't gotta call as many APIs as I thought we would have to. Okay, yeah, we get the channel title. So now we can just do. So instead of having a channel ID up here, we can just have a channel title. Then we do channel title equals to this, and now down here, let's see. Let's just call this channel text. I know it's definitely not going to become confusing at any point in time, right? Then we just channel title, and we put this in here. And then we do this. And now we do this. Now we wait, and then we do the test. Why is YouTube being slow? I'm not allowed to text anything. Okay, test. Nothing's happening. Oh, hey, it's working. It's working. Now it's pretty much ready for Call of Vengeance stream. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. It's totally working. Wait, why is it showing your picture? No, I mean my picture. Why is it showing my picture and on your thing? let's okay, I can test this. Let's see. So if I find one of your messages in my manual testing, maybe channel, no, because it's under author details, profile image URL. Let's see if I open this up now in a browser. Just yeah, see, I get a, well, you can't actually see it. I can make you see. 1 second. See, I get your picture when I open the link manually. So that's not it. Okay, I gotta find. Wait, where am I drawing the image? Item.author-details.profile image URL. This is so strange. If I go into my logs folder, the only image is an undefined.png. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's trying to get undefined. Wait, if I chat now, is it gonna print an undefined or actually? Okay. Bowl, could I get you to try chatting now? Just for fun. Oh, that's why. I think I know. I think I know the issue now. So, yeah, it's gonna save the. So because message.tags.user ID does not exist, this is gonna become undefined. So it's saving the picture as undefined.png, and then because it's being saved as undefined.png, it's gonna look, oh, undefined.png already exists. Let's just use that one instead of downloading again, and that's causing the issue. So I need to give it a name or an ID to save it as. Since multiple people can have the same name, there should be some kind of ID I can use, right, in author details. Oh, so each person on Twitch has a channel ID, right? So maybe I can just use that. So instead of message tags user ID, let's do message tags channel ID.png, and then up here we will create a channel ID. Oops, and this is going to be equals to item.author_details.channel ID. And now, if so now I'm gonna wait for it to actually be ready. Okay, now it's ready. So now I'm gonna do a test. Test do. Okay, and so now it should save my avatar on a unique ID. Yeah, okay. So now if you're right, it should work. Wait, why does it say fun now? That's an old message, isn't it? It has saved your picture now, at least. What's going on? Why isn't any of the messages showing up? Oh, maybe we need to reboot. I think we filled out the notification pipe memory thing. I'm just gonna reboot it real quick. Let's see what that is. Okay, could I ask you to try writing something again? It should work now, I think. Maybe, hopefully, probably. Slap your face. Hey, it's working! So far so good. Now we can just use this to read Cold Vengeance chat during the stream. So yeah, I mean, it's done now. Nothing more to do. Yes, indeed it is. What's your current VRAM usage? Oh, I don't know. Usual cache avoidance thing is random URL garbage hash. What? Oh, that's about the problem from before. Oh no, the problem was just it didn't name the files properly. Yeah. My VRAM usage. Can I see that in here anywhere? I don't know. My RAM usage. I don't freaking know. Can I? Hardware. Don't I have some kind of open hardware thing, monitor thing? Let's see. Utilization. Memory 47%. So let's see if if I redeem water, does it go up? Oh right, you can actually see it. Wait, why didn't I see any water? Oh yeah, I gotta. Wait, why isn't the water thing automatically connecting again when I do this? I need to go check if it's not running a reconnect loop. Anyway, okay, now let's. Maybe I should actually make it so you can see. Okay, let's. There we go. Now you can actually see this too. Let's see, 47 memory, and now I'm gonna redeem water. See what happens. It went from 47 to 50. And is it now staying at 50? Okay, it looks like it's now staying at 50. So if I do water one more time, it's now at 51. This does look like it's escalating. Let's see if I go chat on YouTube. Chat. Yeah, so this kind of makes sense. So if all of this stuff happens enough, it does make sense that it's at some point gonna be just not able to do this anymore. It does look like it's, I don't know. I don't freaking know. Yes. Well, I'm pretty sure it's in your application. Okay, let's look at this. Now I'm gonna close down your application. Let's see what happens. See, now it went down to 47 again. So I'm pretty sure it's in your application. Well, if it could also, well, if that's a thing, then it could be anywhere. How do we know? How do we know? Maybe. Yes. Damn, you got a lot of notification in your VR nails. I mean, surely you're just having me as background while you're working, right? Like, I mean, obviously, I don't know your work hours, but it does seem like it's pretty late. Oh, you did get some work done. Okay, I just read Sabi's message on Discord. 5 seconds. Yes, you need to get some food, definitely. You should get some food. Now I don't know if Sabi is still here, but if you are still here, Sabi, in the screenshot you took, it looks like you're referencing my array in your test pass instead of the given array. Fry a hamburger. I'm making lasagna today. But frying a bamburger. I don't know what a bamburger is, but if you fry it, that sounds pretty unhealthy. How do you eat flamglurkers? To eat flamglurkers, you just need to grab them with your hands and smack them in your mouth. I feel like my stream has kind of derailed to just me staring at things and just making a small amount of noise every other second. Maybe it's time I end the stream and start thinking about preparing to make some dinner before the other stream that's gonna be later today. Since we got all of this completed anyway, I mean, everything's working now. Everything's working decently enough to be functional. Oh yeah, I should raid someone. Let's close down everything and just open Twitch to raid someone. I should not search raid. I should search Twitch. What am I doing? Brain stuff, you know. Let's see. Anyone doing any virtual reality? Oh, Helix VR is still online. See, I'm always curious when I'm about to raid. How many viewers do I actually have? Because... Oh, what am I doing? Don't be slow, browser. Because my amount of current viewers also tells me something about who I should raid. Seeing as I have 3 viewers right now, raiding someone who has 18 viewers is probably not gonna make a big impact. And I'm probably one of the 3 viewers, right? So 2 viewers. Seeing as I have probably 2 viewers, let's check out browse. That's true. But sometimes I also feel like, oh, okay, goodbye. But yeah, I sometimes feel like if I have like 2 viewers and I raid someone with many viewers, it looks more like I'm just trying to steal some of their viewers instead of bringing my viewers to them. But there's a lot of streams with a few viewers here. Let's see. Anyone that's English speaking though. Anyone who's actually playing a virtual reality game. VR hockey 24/7 pickup league. I mean, probably. Oh yeah, that's probably someone that's gonna be easy to run from too. Someone playing Beat Saber with a few viewers might be worth looking into. Yeah, I'm just rating this person. Let's see. There we go. Starting a raid with 2 viewers. I mean, 2 viewers rating a 5-viewer stream. That's 3 viewers. That's decent enough, right? Okay, so anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching my stream. It's been a fun time. We got a project completed. Good enough. Yeah, so I'll see you all probably later tonight when I'm doing another stream. Goodbye.